Hi, I'm Shruthi, and this is Angela. We are from the Sydney Nano Foundry from University of Sydney. We are process engineers. We help researchers with their processes in the clean room. We predominantly use most of the lithography tools from Heidelberg Instruments, namely the DWL and also the MLA. So we are a multi-user facility located in the University of Sydney, where we get researchers from varied fields, starting from engineering, electronic engineering, there's quantum, there's microbiology, there's microfluidics. So we help all the researchers to do their process development using one of these equipments. So they come in with their simple to complicated designs, and we help them realize their devices with their process, making use of the Heidelberg instruments.
Yeah, I also make photomasks for researchers and for some companies too. And recently, actually, I had a 7-inch mask order, and no tools can take it except our DWL66, and it was quite a convenient process too. It just took an overnight ride, and then it's done.
So we also get industry clients who come to us for full service. So we get to do the entire process from start to the end. So we are able to deliver them the devices that they are not able to make on their own, or they don't have engineers to do it. But we, as a whole unit facility, with the equipment that we have and the expertise in terms of workforce, we are able to deliver them.
I like the DWL for its high resolution. In the lab, we've pushed it using the 2mm bright head down to 400 nanometers. And that's a really nice spot because we either have the EBL or the DWL, and the EBL is super high resolution, but also super slow. And if you are making wafer scale anything, it's impossible. It'll take hundreds of hours. But I have compared, I think, a job which would have taken 80 hours in the EBL, but it took 4 hours in the DWL. It was really nice like that. And I like that because of the high resolution, you also get really sharp corners.
For me, the DWL, I see it as a very versatile tool. We have 3 write heads in our foundry, so that enables us to have like a good range of resolution and throughput, which you want to pick from. We predominantly use the 4mm write head. We have also experimented a lot with 2mm write head. What I like the best is that versatility, and we also have the ability to run measurement scripts. So once you finish your lithography, you want to make sure you've got the right CD, the critical dimension, so we are able to check that with the measurement scripts. The grayscale is also possible with the DWL with different levels of gray levels, which is, I find it fascinating, where you can do binary and grayscale on the same tool. We have MLA 100 and then we have the DWL 66. So with the MLA 100, we only can do micro lithography. So for nano lithography, I see it more favorable to use the DWL. We also have the EBL in-house. So EBL again is nano, sub-nano. So you need a mid-range, which is catered by the DWL.
For me, it's alignment accuracy. We all know the EBL is incredible at alignment accuracy, but also super slow. The DWL can do, I think, about 1 micron or sub-micron accuracy, and that is just, like you said, the sweet spot. Oh, direct writing compared to mask lithography, obviously the turnover and the iteration is much faster.
For prototyping, so you need to prototype first before you end up with your final design, which would take an entirety of 3 years, which is the PhD number of years that takes you to finish your PhD. Once you're done with it, we also have a mask aligner, so you can make your masks and then fix it in that. So in that way, I find prototyping much easier with the direct write systems. I'll give you one word. It's versatile.
For me, it's reliable. We've had a very comprehensive training with
Timo here and the team. It's been amazing. Very comprehensive. They've explained everything for us, so we are good to go back and reinstate all these, so our users can also benefit from it.